Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech 20. Today I'm going to make a basic electrical fan. For this we'll need two batteries, the source of electricity, two wires, a battery holder for holding the battery, an electrical switch for breaking and making the circuit. The fans. I have two fans, you can use either of them. A motor. The motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy by which the axle rotates. Are you ready guys? Let's start with the basic one first. I'm going to attach the fan to the motor. Now I'll attach the wires to the motor. How electrical energy is getting converted to mechanical energy via motor. Now let's introduce a switch here. That the fan is rotating using a switch. Now I'll off the fan.